A significant push sending Palantir to new highs was a recent $100 million contract with the U.S. government for the development of the Next Generation Command and Control (NGC-2) platform prototype. This project is one of the U.S. Army's highest priorities, and Palantir will be working in partnership with Anduril to bring it to fruition. Specifically, Palantir is expected to leverage its Maven Smart System and Edge data mesh in the development of NGC-2, which will likely play a crucial role in the platform's success. The financial implications of this contract are substantial, with research firm William Blair estimating that Palantir will receive $30 million from the total contract value. Moreover, this amount has the potential to increase significantly, with projected annual recurring revenue exceeding $150 million over the next 3 years. This growth would be a notable boost to Palantir's financial performance, especially considering the company's recent achievements in securing new contracts, resulting in Palantir earning $135 million in annual recurring revenue across 9 different contracts in the second quarter, a significant increase from the $27 million generated in the same period last year.